welcome to another Excel chat walkthrough video. I'm your host, Kim Kelly. Today we're going to talk about how to do a time difference calculation in Excel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I have my Excel spreadsheet, and just the start time and end time, it's all the same throughout the columns. And I just want to calculate time difference. So if I did it the normal way, let's say we just subtract cell by cell, it's going to look like this. So it's going to give me AM, right? I don't want AM because that's giving me a time. If you use the time function in Excel to label your times, that's great, but I want time difference. So what I'm going to do instead is hit equals text. And now I'm going to do B3 minus C3, comma. Now here's where I'm going to set up the format that I want it. So in this case, I'm going to go hours, 2 digits for minutes, 2 digits for seconds, parentheses, close. As you can see, it showed the time difference as 3 hours, 4 minutes, and 30 seconds, not as an actual time. You can format this in a couple of different ways. So we'll do that again here, comma, and it's the same concept, but this time we're not going to do seconds. And now we just have 3 hours and 4 minutes. And lastly, we'll do it right here. Three hours. Obviously, the first one is a lot more exact. This is how you do time difference calculations so that Excel doesn't screw it up and just put, instead of 3 hours, 4 minutes, and 30 seconds different, it'll think 3 o'clock, 4 minutes, and 30 seconds. And you don't want that, obviously. So that is how you do time difference calculation in Excel. Make sure you use that text function.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.